like to see who else is using the hashtag MyAmericus, simply go to your Facebook. In the search bar, type MyAmericus, and you'll be able to see public posts, posts from your own friends list, what people are saying about it, and you can also go to photos, which will show you photos from your friends and groups, and public photos that include the hashtag MyAmericus. To reach a larger audience with the hashtag MyAmericus, go to the settings section on your Facebook. On the left-hand side, click on Public Posts, and make sure that Who Can Follow Me is set to Public. This way, it will show up on a public news feed rather than on the news feed of just your friends.